Paramshanti. In a world full of desires and demands, we carry the weight of expectations from others, from ourselves, from life. But what if true peace lies not in fulfilling them, but in releasing them? We are taught to expect success, love, recognition, obedience, certainty. Yet, every expectation becomes a condition we place on the world. And when reality does not meet it, we suffer disappointment, frustration, pain. Each expectation is a silent contract, unspoken, often unfair. And yet, we suffer when it's not fulfilled. Why? Because we believe we are owed something. But what if peace is not found in getting everything we want, but in wanting less, in needing nothing? To live without expectations is not to become indifferent, it is to accept, to meet life as it is. This is freedom. The heart opens, the mind steals, the spirit at rest. Relationships flourish when freed from demands. Surrender is not weakness, it is the courage to release control, to stop fighting the moment, and to trust the unfolding. In that stillness, a vast peace arises, untouched by outcome, beyond conditions. To live without expectations is to live in grace. To love without condition, to act without attachment, to remain calm in absolute peace. Let go and be free. Peace is your nature. Paramshanti, Paramshanti, Paramshanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम